Hi guys, in this video I am going to explain you about triggers, a part of animations in Microsoft PowerPoint. First, I am going to change the size of the slide so that it will occupy my complete screen when I am giving a presentation. If you see the slideshow here, there is some part of the screen which is not used by the slide. For using that part, I am going to change the size of the screen. I have explained about changing the slide of the screen in my previous video. Please watch it. I am going to explain you about these triggers by using a simple example of conducting quiz in a classroom. Let me insert a question and few options there. This is the question. This is the first option, the second option, and the third option. We all know that Charles Babbage is the father of computer. So when the user clicks on Charles Babbage, I should tell him that the answer is correct. If the user clicks on William Gilbert or Windsor, I need to tell the user that particular answer is wrong. In order to show him which is right or wrong, I am going to insert a tick mark and a cross mark. I have already downloaded the images. I am copying the images, pasting it here. You can see the images are bigger than the slide size. So I am going to resize the images. When I copy and paste both the images at a time, both are already selected. And we know that if I select a image, format menu appears. So go to the format menu, change the width. I am pressing enter. The cross mark is little more bigger than the into mark. I am going to resize this cross mark manually such that the size of the cross mark will be similar to the size of tick mark. Approximately the cross mark and the tick mark are of same size. Now I am going to remove the background of this image. I have made a video about removing background of an image. Please watch that. I have removed the background. Now I am going to crop this image. Click on the image, go to format menu, click on crop and crop the unnecessary part. I am going to remove the background. You may feel that there is no background for this image, but when I keep this tick mark on the text, you can see the text disappeared because there is a white background here. I have removed the background, you can see that here. Now I am going to place it here. Yeah, I have a tick mark and a cross mark. As I am having two wrong answers, I need two cross marks. So I am placing one more cross mark. First, I am going to keep the animations and then we will be seeing how to trigger those. You can go to the animation pane and see all the three animations there. Picture 7 is the tick mark. Let us have a close look at the animation pane. Click on this arrow mark. Go to effect options. In the effect options, go to the timing tab and then choose triggers. You can see by default it triggered to animate as part of click sequence. Each and every animation in Microsoft PowerPoint will be under this animate as part of click sequence, and that is the reason why when you click, you are able to see the animation. Now I am going to change it to start effect on click off. When should the tick mark come? When I click on Charles Babbage. And let us keep this trigger option for these two cross marks also. Do the same thing. Click on arrow mark, effect options, timing, triggers, start effect on click off, and this cross mark should appear when I click on William Gilbert. And now I am going to put trigger for this image, linking it with third option, Windsor. We have kept the triggering animation for each and every option in the question. Let us see how the slideshow looks. We have three animations, but if I click on the slide, none of the animations will appear because we linked those animations with these options. Let me click here and show you that. I am clicking here and there ends the slideshow because none of the animations are in the click sequence. Let me go back to the slide and click on Charles Babbage so that we will get a tick mark. And when I click on William Gilbert, I will get an into mark. When I click on Windsor, I will get an into mark. As this is a quiz, we cannot show all the images at a time. We need to show that according to the option clicked. Let me make few changes to the animation. So after this tick mark appears, I need to keep exit effect also. So I'm going to animation pane and keeping a exit effect. You can see here all the entry effects are in the triggers, but this exit effect of the tick mark is in the click sequence. Now I'm going to drag it and drop in the text box for trigger. As soon as I click on Charles Babbage, the image appears and then it disappears. The tick mark appeared, but it didn't get disappeared because I have to click on Charles Babbage again in order to execute the exit effect. So I am clicking on Charles Babbage again and it got exited. But the image should appear when I click on Charles Babbage and it should exit on its own. Let us make small changes for the animation. I am clicking on the arrow mark of the exit effect of picture 7. Instead of keeping this animation on click, I am going to keep this after the previous effect. In PowerPoint, we can even change the time of an effect. For that, I need to click on the effect. Here you can see the duration. This is the shortcut for changing the duration. Instead of keeping it for half second, I am making it for 1 second and the exit effect for half second. I am clicking on Charles Babbage. It will take 1 second for the tick mark to appear and then half second for its disappearance. That's it. Let us keep the same effect for William Gilbert and Windsurf also. I have kept the entry effects and exit effects for each and every image. And now I am going to keep all these images in same place. Let us see our final presentation. Who is the father of computer? If I say William Gilbert, it is wrong answer. If I click on Charles Babbage, it is right answer. And if I click on Windsurf, it shows it is wrong answer. Let us recall what all things we learned in this video. Of course, the main part we learned in this video is about triggering. Along with the triggering, we have learned few more things. Those are resizing the image, cropping the image, and changing the time of animations. Hope you understood. Have a good day. Thank you.